Does your boat winch strap look like this? Well, if it does, I got a solution for you, and that's coming up right here on Live to Fish.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Live to Fish, and today is kind of a crummy day. No fishing today, but we're going to take on a task on Brett from Fish The Mitt's boat. That's right, he's got a boat winch strap that is kind of in need of replacement. It's pretty bad. So we're going to show you how to get that done and give you a link to someplace you can purchase your own. And I'll leave a link down in the video description below so you can tackle this simple repair yourself. All right, let's go.
Big shout out to Better Boat for sending us out this winch strap for replacement. It's 2 inches by 20 foot. It is the 5,000 brake strength. Didn't need the 10,000. They also offer that as well. Now it has instructions step by step on the box for you, but you may not need this. You're going to start this process off by removing the old winch strap, which is pretty simple to do. And as you can see, this one's in pretty bad shape and definitely in need of replacement. Wouldn't want to start the season off the wrong way. Now, normally you have a guide pin that would sit right through this little strap end right here, and here's the guide pin that's sitting on the winch wheel. You can see that there's a thread on there. This was something that somebody did aftermarket. So instead of sliding that rod through there, what they did is they put a metal dowel in there, and that would basically stop gap at this screw that was put into the winch. So it was kind of makeshift, but we made it work. We basically just reinstalled it the same way that it was installed to begin with. So again, when you disassemble yours, basically you're just going to be doing the installation in the reverse process. Here Brett's putting the new strap on. And note that as he's cranking that winch, he is definitely adding some pressure to make sure that there's no slack as it gets reeled in. And here's the finished product from head to toe, and good as new. We will see you out on Lake St Clair. Be safe, be well, and as always, live to fish.